Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up the GAN 11M Pro. So this cube out of the box is really fast and it's really controllable as well. So I kind of like the feeling right now, but there might be not a lot of lube inside and there also might be some dirt. If there's no dirt, then you kind of can skip the step of cleaning, but I'm just going to clean off the lube that I put in because I put in a little bit of lube here and I don't want that to change the final feel of what I'm going to make this feel like. So I'll just take it apart by taking apart one of the edges and then disassembling the entire cube. So now everything is disassembled and I also have the core left. We're also going to disassemble the core, but first let's just clean all of these pieces and then we can deal with the core stuff. Yeah, also if there's a lot of lube here, you probably also want to clean this off as well. The method of cleaning is entirely up to you. I'm just going to use this towel to roughly wipe off all of the dirt. Sometimes there can be like some dirt and you might need to get like a brush to do that. Once you've cleaned all the pieces, you can just set them to the side, and now we'll be working with the core. So to start, we have to take off all the center caps. To do this easily, just push down like that, and then we're going to disassemble the core even further than that. All right, now all of it is disassembled. We can just disassemble it further by basically taking out the screw. That's what this is. So we're taking all of this out and even this part so that we're just left with the core, I guess. So now we just have the core by itself. And now what we can do is we can just get that towel again and just start cleaning down the core. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I have Speedcube Shop Weight 5. I have this springy thing. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go inside of here and you'll see a spring. And you basically just want to lube that spring just to reduce spring noise. So I'll just do this one and then you do that with all of them. All right, so now all of them are lubed with weight 5. We just have a bunch of stuff here, but the next thing I want to do is I want to replace these nuts because I like the second setting. And you know, any of the settings work fine, but personally I don't like the third and fourth because I find them to be pretty loose. I would recommend to beginners to do basically just the first and second setting. And just in case you don't know how that works, on this one there is setting 1 and 3, and on this one it's 2 and 4. So you basically just take one of these centers, put the spring thingy on it, and then you can put the core right here and then just get your whatever nut you want to use. I like the dark blue, and you just slide it on. There we go, second setting. So now I just got this one on the second setting. I'll put all of them on the second setting. Once you have the core assembled and all the center caps are back on, you can just assemble the cube and then we can move on to the next step. All right, now the cube is fully assembled and now we have to lube it. I think you should lube first before you pick the spring compression, just because you won't get the full feeling until you lube it. So we're gonna do that first. For this cube, I will use Martian and Lunar. Martian is just to help give the cube more feeling, and Lunar also does that pretty well. So I will just start with this piece and I'll start with Martian. So I'm just gonna put like a bunch of strings of Martian, or I don't know what else to call them. Even on the track, it'll be good, and I don't want it to go everywhere, so I'm just gonna put it back in the cube. All right, now I'm just gonna break it in a little bit. Now I have some more weight 5. I'm just gonna put a very thin layer on some of the track parts thingies. I don't know what they're called. Make sure not to over lube, because if you do, you'll just end up with a bad, slow GAN 11M Pro. Now let's just put the piece back and break it in. Now here is some Lunar, and basically what this does is it kind of enhances the fundamental feel of the cube, which is like a really soft feeling. It makes it feel nicer. So I'm gonna put 6 drops as it says in the container. Now the last step is I'm going to pick the spring compression. First I need to do this on all sides. I need to get that big pop. So now that one just went back to the top. So now I know it's on the same setting as all the other ones, and I need to get them all on the same setting. From the setting number 1, I'm going to go 2 more settings, and I would call that setting number 3. So there's 6 settings in total. You can play around with whatever you want, but I think I like 3. All right, now that's all done, and basically all you have to do now is break it in. Don't forget to put these nuts back onto this tool so you don't lose them. So just like this, and you know, you don't want to lose your pieces. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot, I can change the magnets, and this is pretty much what everyone uses. They use the middle setting because the third setting is stronger than it's needed to be. So like it's doable, it's usable, but I wouldn't use it. And the first one is just way too weak. So I think the middle one is the best. And now you just break it in. If this video helped you or if you enjoyed this video, please like and sub, and also bye.